If your USB drive is not formatting properly, this method will fix it using command prompt. Let's go step by step. First, plug in your USB drive. Now click on the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once Command Prompt opens, type DiskPart and press Enter. Next, type List Disk and press Enter. You will see all the disks connected to your computer. Carefully identify your USB drive using its size. Now type Select Disk X and press Enter. Replace X with your USB drive number. For example, select Disk 1. Next, type Clean and press Enter. This will erase everything on the USB drive. Now type Create Partition Primary and press Enter. After that, type Select Partition 1 and press Enter. Now type Format FS equals NTFS Quick and press Enter. Wait for the process to complete. Finally, type Assign and press Enter. Your USB drive is now fully formatted and ready to use. And that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.